So you might be in a situation where you're getting this little pop-up inside of Snapchat where it's telling you that, oops, something basically went wrong. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing you just want to go and do is just double check your internet connection. Most of the time, if you're having any sort of problem like this, the easiest thing to do is just to double check that internet connection that you have. The data connection, the Wi-Fi connection, all that stuff. Just go through and make sure that your cell connection and your Wi-Fi connection is properly set up, and that can be one of the easiest ways to fix this problem. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you might want to try doing is to literally just go and open up Snapchat again. So open it up and go ahead and just close out of that application. And then what you want to do is you just want to open up Snapchat again and try seeing if you can get into it and see if that ends up fixing it. A lot of the times, something like that could end up just fixing it for you, and that is another thing I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. If that still doesn't work, you might want to go through and try updating Snapchat. So go right in, inside of your Snapchat or your App Store, search up Snapchat. So search up Snapchat as you normally would, just like this. And all you're going to want to do here is basically update your Snapchat application. So go through, try updating the Snapchat app. And if that's still not working, you might want to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that basically show you what's up and what's down. And if it's down, you're basically just going to have to kind of wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.